Hi, my name is Victor. In 5 years, I see myself as a more disciplined and successful person, both personally and professionally. This year, I am going to change my habits by being more organized and avoiding procrastination. I want to manage my time better and focus on my priorities. I will start exercising at least 3 times a week and eating healthier food. Also, I will stop spending too much time on my phone because I want to be more. I am going to set both personal and academic goals. Academically, I am going to improve my knowledge in my field and develop new skills related to technology and control systems. Personally, I will work on my physical health and mental well being. In the future, I will be working in a good company where I can grow professionally and apply everything I have learned. Thank you.